National Electrical Code Article 406.3 states the receptacles shall not be installed within 6 feet of any tub or shower space. This distance may be reduced to 18 inches above and 36 inches from the top of the tub or shower space if a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, is installed at the source of the electrical supply. The code requirement specified in Article 406.3e is intended to prevent electric shock hazards by ensuring that electrical outlets are not placed in close proximity to water sources. This is particularly important in bathrooms, where there is a risk of water splashing or dripping onto electrical components. Installing liquid soap dispensers directly above GFCI outlets in restrooms violates this code requirement because it increases the likelihood of water dripping into the outlets. This can lead to 2 potential issues. Firstly, water damage to the outlet can disrupt the electrical circuit, causing loss of power to the outlet and any connected appliances. Secondly, water entering the outlet can impair the operation of the GFCI trip mechanism, preventing it from functioning properly in the event of an electrical fault. This creates a serious electric shock hazard. The practice of placing liquid soap dispensers above GFCI outlets in restrooms is a code violation that poses significant safety risks. It is essential to relocate the soap dispensers to a safe location that complies with the NEC requirements.